How to put border in MS Word Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add borders to your document in MS Word Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the MS Word app on your mobile device and select the document you want to edit. Tap on the Home tab. Then select the Borders icon in the toolbar. Choose Borders and Shading. Here you can select the border style, color, and width. Apply the borders to your desired sections or the entire document by tapping Apply. And there you go. Your document now has a border. Hope you found this tip useful. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.